Today I'm going to teach you to do increase and decrease rows in corner to corner crochet. I'm using just regular double knit wool and a 4mm crochet hook. First thing you're going to need to do is just to do a slip knot in your yarn. Once you've done that, I like to just pull mine so that it's about the size of a stitch and pop my hook in. To start off your first row, you're going to chain 7. And then in the 4th chain from your hook, so the 3rd chain along, you're going to then do a double crochet. And another double crochet in the next chain along. And finally, one last double crochet in the first chain that you created. So you've now got a little group of stitches. Now you're going to chain 6. So I've got a chain of 6, and then with your work just turn it the other way up. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to do a double crochet. And again in the 2 other chains, 2 more double crochet. And now what you're going to do is you're going to put your needle through the first top double crochet you can see on your other square you've created, pull your yarn through, slip stitch, then chain 3 and do 3 more double crochets into that first double crochet. So now we've got a group of 3 squares. So we'll do another increase row to show you. Flip your work over, chain 6. In the 4th chain from hook, do 1 double crochet. Two more double crochet in the other chains, slip stitch to the last block, chain 3, 3 more double crochet into that double crochet, slip stitch to the next block, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet. And we've now got a row of 3. So you would obviously continue in that way to make your project as big as possible until you get to the decrease rows. So I'm now going to show you how to do a decrease row. So you've turned your work after your previous row, and then what we're going to do is we're simply going to slip stitch in the top of those 3 double crochet. So we slip stitch into the last double crochet, rotate our work 90 degrees, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet into that double crochet we've just slip stitched into, slip stitch to the next block through that double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet into that double crochet. Then we slip stitch to the last block of the previous row, that's our corner, turn work, slip stitch across the last 3 double crochet you made and into the double crochet on the edge, the chain 3 on the edge, chain 3, 3 double crochet, join to the next block, and you would carry on as that. So that is a very, very basic tutorial on corner to corner crochet.